Good morning. Today we're looking into a topic that resonates with many of us. Mental stress. It's a common challenge, one that creeps into our daily lives, affecting our work, relationships, and overall well-being. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the pressures of day-to-day tasks and wished for a simple solution? Well, the good news is, there are ways to alleviate this stress quickly and effectively. By the end of this video, you will learn 2 powerful words that can dramatically reduce your stress levels with minimal effort. These words are not only easy to remember, but also scientifically backed to help soothe your mind. Let's begin by understanding what we're up against. Mental stress is a condition triggered by various external or internal pressures. These can disrupt our emotional equilibrium, leading to feelings of anxiety and unrest. From tight deadlines at work to juggling personal responsibilities, the sources of stress are plentiful. Recognizing these triggers is the first step towards managing stress effectively. Stress affects us all differently, but its impact on our mental and physical health can be profound. It can cause headaches, fatigue, irritability, and even long-term health issues if not addressed. This is where the power of language comes into play. Words have a profound impact on our psychology and physiology. Positive words and affirmations can actually rewire our brains, fostering a sense of control and peace. Now we will unveil the 2 simple words that you can incorporate into your daily routine to help manage and reduce stress. These words are backed by psychological research and have been proven to aid in calming the mind quickly. Stay tuned as we explore how to integrate these words into your life, ensuring you can face stressful situations with greater ease and confidence. Looking into our discussion on managing mental stress, let's focus on a simple yet powerful tool that you can use anywhere, anytime. The 2 words we are about to explore are calm down. While this might sound too simple to be effective, these words carry a profound ability to reset your emotional state when tension starts to build up. When you find yourself in the midst of stress, saying calm down silently to yourself acts as a cue for your brain. It signals that it's time to take a step back from the chaos and regain your emotional equilibrium. It's not just about the words themselves, but the intention and the conscious effort behind them that catalyzes a calmness that can quell the storm of stress. Now that you know the words, let's talk about how to effectively use them. The ideal way to harness the power of these words is through a method I like to call mindful repetition. When you sense stress rising, take a slow, deep breath, and as you exhale, mentally repeat, calm down. With each repetition, imagine the stress washing away, your thoughts clearing, and your tension releasing. This practice can be particularly useful in moments of acute stress. For instance, before an important meeting, during a heated discussion, or when you are caught in a traffic jam. Regularly using this technique can help manage stress on the spot, preventing it from escalating. It's like having a personal reset button at your disposal. Integrating this practice into your daily routine doesn't require any special setting or preparation. Whether you are at your desk, in your car, or even preparing for sleep, a few seconds spent on this technique can make a significant difference in your stress levels. It's all about making these words a natural part of your response to stress. Integrating the simple mantra, calm down, into your daily interactions can yield immediate benefits. The first time you use these words, you might notice a subtle shift in your mindset. Stress, by its very nature, narrows your focus, clouding your ability to think clearly. By mentally repeating "calm down," you're inviting your mind to broaden its perspective and diffuse the intensity of the moment. This can lead to a quicker recovery from stress and a faster return to a state of balance. Physiologically, this practice can lower your heart rate, reduce your blood pressure, and decrease stress hormones like cortisol. These changes not only help in the moment, but also contribute to your overall health. Imagine the relief of stepping away from a high-stress situation feeling less frazzled and more in control. This is the power of taking command of your emotional responses through simple, focused actions. Beyond the immediate relief, there are significant long-term advantages to consistently using "calm down" as your go-to stress response. Over time, this practice can train your brain to default to a state of calm in stressful situations, rather than escalating into anxiety or panic. It's about creating a mental reflex that equips you to handle life's challenges with more grace and less tension. As you make this practice a regular part of your life, you might find that you're not only managing stress better, but also enjoying enhanced overall well-being. Stress is closely linked to several health issues, such as insomnia, depression, obesity, and heart disease. By managing your stress effectively with this simple technique, you're taking a proactive step towards preventing these conditions. This sustained practice can improve your emotional resilience, making you more adaptable in various aspects of life, from work to personal relationships. When you're able to approach situations with a calm and clear mind, you're likely to make better decisions, communicate more effectively, and ultimately lead a more fulfilling and less stressful life. While we are not focusing on specific individuals, the general feedback on the effectiveness of using "calm down" has been overwhelmingly positive. Many people report that incorporating this simple mantra into their daily routine has been a game changer for their mental health. The simplicity of the approach means it's accessible to everyone, regardless of their circumstances or the complexity of their stressors. The common thread in these experiences is the sense of empowerment that comes from having a direct, easy-to-implement tool at one's disposal. Users of this technique often feel they have regained control over their emotional responses, which contributes to a more peaceful and productive life. This echoes the sentiment that sometimes the most straightforward approaches are the most effective. Adopting any new habit comes with its set of challenges, and using "calm down" as a stress management tool is no exception. Initially, you might forget to use it in the moment of stress, or you may feel skeptical about its efficacy. Consistency is key in overcoming these hurdles. It helps to remember that, like any skill, the ability to calm oneself quickly under stress improves with practice. Here are a few tips to integrate this practice more seamlessly into your life. Set reminders. Until it becomes a habit, setting reminders on your phone or sticky notes around your workspace can help you remember to use this technique. Pair with a cue. Link the mantra to a specific part of your daily routine, such as during your morning coffee or when you start your car. This association can help trigger the practice automatically. Be patient. Like any form of mental training, results are not immediate. It takes time for the benefits to become apparent. So persistence is crucial. While we approach the end of our discussion, I encourage you to try out the "calm down" technique the next time you find yourself in a stressful situation. This simple tool is not only easy to use, but also incredibly effective at managing immediate stress reactions. Remember, The key to success with this technique is regular practice. Like any habit, the more you do it, the more natural it becomes. I invite you to incorporate these 2 words into your daily routine and observe the changes in how you handle stress. Whether you're about to enter a stressful meeting or feeling overwhelmed by daily chores, just take a moment to breathe deeply and repeat those 2 words to yourself. Over time, you'll likely notice a significant decrease in your stress levels and an increase in your overall emotional well-being. To wrap up, we've explored how the mantra, "Calm down," can serve as an effective tool to manage and mitigate stress quickly. By consistently practicing this technique, you can enjoy not only the immediate benefits of reduced stress in the moment, but also long-term improvements in your emotional and physical health. While you begin to implement this practice into your life, remember that the journey to managing stress is a personal one, and it requires patience and persistence. I hope you found this strategy helpful and that you'll feel empowered to take control of your stress responses moving forward. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of a simple yet powerful approach to stress management. Please feel free to share your experiences or any other strategies that work for you in the comments below. Your insights could help others find their path to a calmer, more stress-free life.